Subscribe to EGT Fun channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates of the channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video I'm going to explain how to delete your Instagram account in your Android mobile. First open the Instagram app, then log in to your Instagram account which you wanted to delete, then select profile, then select the top right corner icon, then select settings, then help center. Here you can see the second option, managing your account. Click on it, then select the delete your account option, then select the how do I delete my account option. Now in first line you can see the blue shaded the delete your account page. Select that. Now it will ask you to enter your details. Enter them. Click on login. Click on not now. Now select why are you deleting your account. It's your wish. Here you have to re-enter your password again. Now select permanently delete my account option. Then select OK. Now your Instagram account is deleted. This is the way you have to delete your Instagram account. Thanks for watching my video guys. See you in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.